So we have James here helping us with an install of a fleet tracking unit. These are our standard 3-wire trackers.
Basically, this thing just pops off. You just got to figure out the way it pops off so you don't break it. There it goes. So there's some wood to it. Well, it pops off. So basically, there's a few websites that you can go to, or you can multimeter it on the diagram on it. You would need power, ground, ignition. I'll show you here real quick. Obviously, ground is black, power or constant is red, and ignition is white. That's pretty good. All right, so now I got the diagram for it. You know, constant is going to be red / violet. Ignition is going to be violet and black. So it should be in this nice little harness right here. We use these sticky pads. We can also use zip ties. Basically, if you use these, you got to find a flat surface with clean flat surface, and they'll stick pretty good. They're the 3Ms, they're pretty good. And then usually I also put a zip tie on it also to hold it and to make sure that it's actually going to stick through the summer, because obviously here in Texas we experience the heat, so it's going to cook these things. Like I was saying, the I think, what was it, red and violet. So red and purple. Sometimes so this one here is going to be our constant. The red with the purple stripe, the violet stripe. That's that one. It's a big, nice, fat one. That's really what you want to try to find. You can use the smaller wires, but you'd prefer if you can find a big, thick one. And then a purple and black. Let's see if we can find it here. Constant is going to be power. No problems. There's a constant, and then violet. Should get nothing right now. And then as soon as we start it, there you go. Good to go. Kill it. And it kills off at 0. All right. So with these, what I do, since you're using a temporary, I use these Posi-Taps. They're basically real simple. The wire goes right in here, and then squeeze it down, it pinches it, and then you put your wire right in here. And I'll show you how that works. Right here. We're gonna basically connect our wires right to the end of there for the system. And once you get your wire in there, you just turn that little guy. Oh, let it hold. There you go, nice and tight, holds. There you go, there's that. All right, so on the ground, what we're gonna do is just gonna go to the chassis. Get a little more meat on it. There you go. What we do here, we make sure that with this here, you can pull on these from the device, and it's not going to pull it out because of this. So we want to make sure that these are nice and zip tied in here. This should power it up and just clip. You're gonna get your power. Sorry. You got your power there. It's gonna take a few minutes. It'll boot up. It'll cycle. Once you get one light solid, one blinking, you're good to go. Basically, that's it.